How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to do a seamless Instagram grid post. This is where we use one picture like this and we spread it across 3 different posts to look like this. Our preview settings have slightly changed, so whenever you're posting pictures, the dimensions are not exactly the same. So let's just see what the new dimensions are in 2025. The new grid view size is 1012 by 1350, okay? So let's remember these numbers. So let's open File, New, and obviously we now need to work out our width and height. Now, because we're using 3 posts, we need to essentially times our 1012 by 3. So I'm just going to quickly get my calculator. 1012 by 3, as we're doing 3 posts. And this is the width, which is 3036, as you can see here. And obviously our height, which is 1350. If we were to do 6 posts, we would then have to times our height by 2 and then break that one picture down into 6 different posts, okay? But right now we're only going to do 3 posts. So all I need is the normal average Instagram height, which is 1350, and I need to times my width of 1012 by 3, as I'm going to do 3 grid posts. There you go. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my picture. I'm going to take my pic, I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste this obviously here into, there you go. I'll click my layer and I'm just going to obviously adjust the sizing of where I want it to go and how I want it to look. So let's just say I'm happy like this. What you need to do now, if you're trying to split this up into 3 different posts, is to go to View, scroll down to Guides, and then click New Guide Layout. That will bring you an option bar, New Guide Layout. And as you can see here, these are your preset. Obviously we're doing custom. This is the color of your lines. You can select different colors that you like. And obviously here you have your column boxes and you have your rows. Right now we just need columns, and this is where you can decide depending what you use it for. If I wanted 6, I get 6, but obviously we need 3 for Instagram. Then I'm going to press OK. If you come here to where your crop tool normally is, you can find your slice tool, and then what you need to do is click and drag all the way to your line at the bottom here. Boom. And then obviously here, and there you go. All right, once you've done that, you now need to obviously save your posts, file, export, save for web. This is your option, and obviously here you have your options, JPEG high. You can always up your quality if you want. Click save, name it as a Mecha Grid. Make sure the tab at the bottom is selected on all slices. Save. If you have a look here, you can see the seamless Insta post, which will look like this as your final product. I appreciate you guys sitting with me watching this tutorial. I'm going to be releasing a lot more stuff. Please like, comment and subscribe. Have a blessed day, my people.